Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. My name is Asifur Rahman Ridoy. I am studying Bachelor of Business Administration, majoring in Innovation and Entrepreneurship at Daffodil International University, Dhaka. I am now in my fifth semester and I am always thinking to learn a thing about business and management. Before my university life, I completed my high secondary certificate HSC and secondary school certificate SSC exam with good result. This result helped me to build a strong base for my university study at Daffodil International University. I have learned from great teachers who always inspire me and think creatively and solve real life problems. During my study, I have learned many important skills. I can do strategic planning, market research, and business model development. I have good communication skill. I can speak clearly, give presentation, and work well in group discussion. I can use Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Skill, and Canva to make report slide and visual presentation. I speak both Bengali and English fluently, which help me work and communicate with many different people. I have done several interesting projects at the university. One project was a research study on employee motivation in the telecommunication industry. My team, I study who top complete keep their employee happy and productive. I also create a career roadmap and skill mapping plan in employability 360-degree program to understand my career goal and improve my personal skill. Another project I worked on a marketing plan for new product. We study competitor, made pricing plan and designed promotion strategy. This project helped me improve my teamwork and leadership skill. I was selected to join a job readlines session and wants to one more interview with real HR professional. An experience that helped me build confidence for future job interview. I also joined interdepartmental presentation competition at my university. My team was in top 5. I am an active member of my business club, Daffodil International University, where I help organize event, manage team, and meet new people. I am positive person who loves to learn, communicate, and create new idea. My goal is to start successful career in the corporate world where I can use my knowledge, grow every day, and make positive impact. I am very thankful to Daffodil International University for giving me modern learning environment full of opportunity. Thank you so much for my watching my video resume. Once again, I am Asifur Rahman Ridoy, a proud student of Daffodil International University.